killer and enemy number one of the slimming centers. According to many experts, speeding up the metabolism is a natural and very effective way to eliminate those annoying excess pounds. You should start by taking a proper diet using natural ingredients that help improve digestion and achieve our body burn fat faster. Going hungry is not the best option if we want to lose weight, since with the passage of days we will not reach any solution. That is why this time we bring you a natural remedy that has amazed everyone because of its incredible effects. It was a group of scientists who conducted a study involving two groups of people, all overweight. The study participants, treated with a nutritionist, had a strict diet for 3 months consisting of ingesting 500 calories each day. The only difference between the two groups was that one of them was added to their diet black pepper powder mixed with 140 milliliters of yogurt and the other only yogurt. At 3 months, the specialists began to calculate the differences of weight lost between the people of both groups and noticed that those who had consumed black pepper had managed to reduce approximately 15 kilos and lost 14% more fat than the opposite group, though which only managed to burn 4% fat. After obtaining these results, it has been proven that black pepper is one of the most effective natural foods to lose weight, since it has the ability to accelerate metabolism. In addition, among its components are nutrients that block the absorption of cholesterol. Adding black pepper powder to the daily diet will not only help you get rid of those extra pounds that cost you so much, but it will also improve your health in many ways. You can consume the black pepper with yogurt as in the experiment, or you can add it as spice to your meals. Eat this spice and get rid of being overweight. Many people have already tried this home remedy and still cannot believe the excellent effects on their health.